Good morning, sir.
Good morning, team. We all know that the coffee industry is getting more competitive every year. From big brands like Starbucks to local coffees, everyone fighting for the same customers. Our goal today is to discuss how the Cozy coffee can stand out, create a sustainable competitive advantage that others can easily copy.
So that's what I'm interested to hear. So the coffee market is saturated. So what makes Cozy coffee different?
Our main differentiation strategy focuses on brand positioning and emotional connection. We're not just selling coffee, we're selling a purpose. Our brand stands for Cozy Cup Moments, meaning every cup represents care, quality, and sustainability. We source our beans directly from local farmers in Banquet, which helps the community and strengthens our brand image. This creates brand equity because customers associate our coffee with authenticity and social responsibility.
So you're differentiating through values and community connection rather than just taste?
Exactly. Many brands sell coffee, but few sell meaning. That's how we stand out.
So at the same time, we are implementing efficient roasting techniques that lower production costs without compromising quality. This means we can offer premium coffee at a fair price, giving us a balance between quality and affordability.
Interesting. But won't competitors eventually copy your cost-saving methods?
They might, but our local supply relationships and in-house roasting processes are difficult to replicate. That's our operational edge.
Another key part of our differentiation is service. We train our baristas to remember customers' name and favorite drinks. We also use our loyalty apps where customers earn points and receive personalized recommendation.
Our goal is to make value and recognize this build long-term loyalty, which is foundation of sustainable competitive advantage.
So you're turning customer satisfaction into brand loyalty. So that's powerful.
To summarize, our competitive advantage come from combining. First, we have product differentiation through quality and innovation. Second, we have service differentiation through customers' care and loyalty. Third, we have cost leadership through efficient operations. Fourth, we have a strong brand positioning by standing for Cozy Cup moments. With this combined, we're not just better, we are different. And different is something competitors can't easily copy.
So you convinced me. So Cozy Coffee doesn't just compete with these, but you've built a brand that customers can trust and connect with.
Thank you, Mr. Mark. Let's continue to our success. One moment at a time.
In today's competitive world, standing out isn't just about offering good products. It's about creating something meaningful that connects with people. Through our presentation, we've seen how businesses can achieve sustainable competitive advantage by applying differentiation strategies, from innovating their product and improving customer service to positioning their brand with purpose and consistency. When a company focuses on what makes it unique, it builds trust, loyalty, and long-term success, things that competitors can't easily copy. It has been building competitive advantage through differentiation presented by Group 2. Thank you for watching, and remember, sustainable competitive isn't about doing something better than the competition. It's about doing something different that the competition can't receive.